Alright guys, start spinning on a light tension. Timer has officially started for this 30-minute workout, the gear shifter workout. So we're doing 5 sets of essentially 3 minutes of continuous work, but it'll be broken up into different kind of blocks. So we'll do a minute 30 to start each set, and that'll be a tempo, threshold pace. So something that you could theoretically maintain for about 10 minutes if you had to, and it would be uncomfortable. That's the pace that you want to start each set at. Then we'll increase that resistance, increase the RPMs, and do essentially a stride pace, a stride effort for 1 minute, and then we'll transition directly from that into an all-out standing sprint. So full throttle, 30 seconds to finish each set. Set rest will be a minute and a half. Cool down will be 4 minutes. We're warming up right now for 5. We're gonna start doing some strides so you can get a feel for what that middle part of each set should feel like. We'll just start doing light and easy first, or continue doing light and easy, easy jogging right now. Warming up, get ready. I've already done this workout in the past and it left my legs feeling tired for days because it's really a strength workout. Even though we got some sprints, you're increasing that tension to help you sprint with control. That's really the name of the game for these sets. Get ready, we got 40 more seconds, then we're gonna do some strides. Then we'll finish this cool down with 1 minute, light and easy. Just to get ready, make sure you have some water nearby. I'm gonna grab a sip now. Whew. Get ready, get excited. You may or may not, well you should, yeah, you'll produce lactic acid for sure. Everything just builds up to that final all-out effort. And get ready to dig your grave. 5 sets, we can do it. Come on, 5 more seconds and then we'll stride. We'll just do 4 strides, 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off, and increase that resistance. We're striding. Woo! So we're gonna have to maintain what we're doing now for a minute within each set, right in the middle, smack dab in the middle to dig your grave for those 30-second all-out sprints. Woo! 3, 2, 1, 10 seconds easy. Whew. Get pumped up. You're gonna burn in a different way. And go. Another stride. Whew. So the strides are at a moderate tension. You can start the threshold pace part of each set at a light to moderate or moderate if you want. As far as tension goes. Whew, light and easy. We'll do 2 more strides. Really get those legs warmed up. 2, 1, another stride. Whew. So you can already see how this is gonna burn. We have to hold it for a full minute when we start the workout. Whew. 3, 2, 1, light and easy. 1 more stride. Whew. Just to get those muscles activated. 2, 1, 1 more stride. 20 seconds. How do we feel so far? Nervous, anxious, scared? Don't be scared. You can do it. Whew. 3, 2, 1. Light and easy. Grab some more water. All right, we got less than a minute of this easy peasy pace. Then we start the tempo. Whew. Tempo, stride, full throttle. That's kind of the order of the set. Set rest is half of what the work period is, so a 2-to-1 work to rest ratio. Whew. Everything's gonna build on top of each other. It's a slow build, but the pain will last much longer after this workout. Strength-based workout. Whew, 20 more seconds. Get ready to elevate that tension. All right, we got less than 10. Get excited. 3, 2, 1. Increase that tension. Try to maintain the same cadence that you just had. You're tempoing. Whew. A minute 30 of this tempo pace. TT mode, time trial pace. Whew. How do we feel? We just started. Hopefully spirits are high. You know you can do it. Whew. Keep going. 1 more minute. Then we transition into a stride. Whew. You got it. Tension isn't at its highest yet, so you can power through this tempo. You got it. It's not a rest though. The effort is there. 3 minutes of work in total per set. Whew. Keep motoring. 30 more seconds. Then we do a seated stride. Already sweaty. That's how it goes. Whew. You got it. All right, we got 10 seconds. Get ready to elevate that tension. Just a smidge. 2, 1. Woo. We're striding for 1 minute. 1 minute stride. Definitely not an all-out sprint. That's next. Get ready. Woo. Come on. Don't fall off pace. If you're maintaining 100 to 120 RPM, if you have a calculator on your bike, keep it up. Woo. Get ready to stand soon in 15. Then we'll be done. You can do it. 2, 1. Tension. You're sprinting. Come on. I know it burns already. Woo. Come on. Keep motoring. Oh, you got it. 10. Come on, you're sprinting. 5, 2, 1. Woo. Light and easy. How'd the first one feel? Whew. It's definitely hard to talk through this one. Whew. It's like each set is a mini race in and of itself. You got the tempo, the stride, the sprint to the finish. Whew. Minimal rest. Now you know what to expect. Less than a minute to go. Woo! 4 more sets. Nothing to it but to do it. Don't think, just do. I know the first one's scary because it already hurts. That's fine. You're supposed to die during this workout. It's okay. Just do your best to maintain that intensity. It's gonna hurt. You know what to expect. That last sprint out of the saddle is the worst. But we got it. Less than 10. Get ready with that tempo pace. Whew. Minute 30. 2, 1. Let's go. You're tempoing. Find that right tension. Less than a stride. More than your warm-up for sure. Whew. You're racing. Tempo, here we go. Come on. Whew. 3 minutes of continuous work. You've done worse. We did that hill workout. This isn't even high tension, you got it. You can do it. Whew. If this is your first video and you haven't done that hill workout, this might be your hardest workout, but you can do it. I believe in you. Come on. Whew. Consistency. You got it. Keep it up. Tempo, not a rest. Give it your all. Whew. We got about 30 more seconds. Then we're striding. Whew. All right, keep going. Keep tempoing. Digging your grave for that final 30. Whew. 10. Get ready with that tension. We're gonna be striding. 3, 2, 1. Show me a stride. Whew. It's like a controlled sprint. You got it. Keep going. Come on. Whew. You're motoring. You got this. After this, only 3 more sets. Come on. Whew. 30 more seconds. And then we do an all out, full throttle, 30 seconds. Whew. Come on, you got it. Whew. Get ready. Final 15. You're still striding. No conserving. Come on. 5, 3, 2, 1. Tension. You're standing. Come on, give me 30. Woo! Keep going. Come on, push down harder. Pull up. Woo! 10. Keep going. You're sprinting. Come on. 5, 2, 1. Whew. Oh my goodness. Get your breath back. Feel so winded after these. Whew. I don't know if you can see that. I have a huge bruise on my elbow. If you're wondering what that mark is, if it's showing up on the camera, it's just a bruise. Whew. It's nothing compared to this workout. 3 more sets. Whew. My goodness. You're building so much resiliency. You got it. We got about 40 more seconds. Then we have 3 more sets. Get ready with that tension. Character building sets. We got 20 more seconds. Final sips of water. Say your prayers. We're starting this set number 3 in 10. Whew. Get ready. Sets 2 and 3 are usually the hardest. You know how it goes. Power through these. 2, 1. Increase that tension. Find the right tension for you. You're tempoing. You're at threshold pace. Whew. At the cusp of producing lactic acid, but not quite. That's where you're at. Whew. Keep it up. Come on. All the RPMs right now. Consistency. 1 more minute. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. No sleeping. I know you're trying to conserve right now, but keep pushing. This workout's almost done. We're at the middle point right now. Get over the hump. Mentally, you can get through the last 2. No problem. Keep pushing yourself. Have Good posture, straight back. Open up. Woo. Final 30. Then we stride. Keep it up. Woo. Come on. You're motoring, rushing it. 10 more seconds and then we stride. Get ready. 3, 2, 1. Increase that resistance. Find your stride pace. Oh, this is where the legs really start to burn. Come on. Not quite a seated climb, but definitely riding, straddling that climb. Come on. Woo! You got it. Keep motoring. We're over halfway through the stride. Woo! Come on. Woo! 15 more seconds. You're striding, looking strong. Come on. 5, 3, 2, 1. Tension, full throttle. Come on. Woo! Keep pushing. I know you got more. Come on. Woo! 10. Come on. Push a little harder. 5, 2, 1. Woo! Light and easy. Amazing job so far. You're crushing it. Woo. How does it feel? We got 2 more. Grab that water. Woo. Less than a minute. Remember these glory days when you're in the middle of that stride. Push yourself. I know you got more. You got enough in you for 2 more solid sets. I know it. Keep it up. Whew. Final 30. Then we get it. Second last set. After you do each component, you only have to do it 1 more time. Keep that in the back of your mind and push yourself. Final 10. Then we start the tempo. Whew. Sweat is everywhere. Cannot see. 3, 2, 1. Increase that resistance. Whew. And you're tempoing. You're time traveling. Consistency. Don't slack off. Try to stay. This is still a part of the workout, even though that's lower in intensity. It contributes. Come on. Keep it up. All right. Less than a minute of tempo. Then we get that stride. You're crushing it. Keep it up. We're almost done the whole workout. You got it. Making every second count. Woo! You guys wanted minimal rest. The last 2 workouts have been catered towards your needs. All right. Whew. Get ready. 30 more seconds. Then we stride. No looking back. Keep up the intensity right now. Come on. Whew. Get ready. We got 15 more seconds. Then we stride. Whew. Increasing that tension, that effort. you're speaking it. Keep going. Come on. Stride. Focus on one component at a time. Give me a strong stride. 15 more seconds. Then you know what's up. That tension in your body. Full throttle. 5, 3, 2, 1. Show me full throttle. Woo. Wobbly legs. Come on. You can do it. Come on, halfway. Woo. Keep motoring. You're sprinting. Woo. 5, 2, 1. One more. You can do it. I know you can. Grab that water. This honestly might be one of the harder workouts on the channel so far. But let me know, what do you think? Depends on how hard you're pushing yourself. 45 more seconds. Halfway through the rest. You're sending it home. This last set, 3 minutes of work. That's nothing. Get ready with that tension. Almost done the workout. All right, final 20. Then we stride, or I guess we tempo, then we stride. And then we send it home. 10. Get ready. No saving. There's no reason to save anymore. 3, 2, 1. Find that tension. Your tempo. Tempo pace. Come on. Build that character. Don't back down. You got it. You're crushing it. Come on. Don't give up. You made it this far. I know it burns. The burn definitely comes on much more quickly this time. Embrace it. Let's go. Come on. You got it. Push yourself. We know the stride is the worst part. Push through it. Coming up. We got 30 more seconds at tempo pace. Then we level up, stride up, buckle up, get ready. Come on, we're in this together. Final 15. Keep pushing yourself. Don't back off leading into that stride. I see you. Come on. 5, 3, 2, 1. Level up that resistance. You're striding. Come on. I know it burns. Your goal is to make your legs as wobbly as possible for that final 30. Keep pushing. We're in this together. Come on. You got it. 30 more seconds. This set is over in less than a minute. Come on. You got it. Get ready. 15 more seconds. Then we full throttle. Come on. 5, 3, 2, going. Halfway. Come on. Keep pushing, let's go. 5, 2, 1. Woo! Oh my goodness. Fall off my bag. So tired. Woo! We did it. Oh, amazing. How do we feel? You should be so proud of yourself. You didn't quit. You kept up that intensity. Consistently giving effort. If you're unable to do all the sets or all the components, that's fine. Now you just got something to work towards. You can do it. Keep doing this video until you can finish. I think some of you guys said, I don't know which workout it was, but it took you, oh, the equalizer workout. Some of you guys did like multiple tries of that until you finally got it. That's amazing. The skills that you're teaching yourself, persistence, drive. Woo, amazing. All right, we got about 2.5 minutes of this cool down together. It went by really fast, but still I can't like, the warm-up seemed so long ago. It's crazy. Post what set you had the most difficulty with? I think set 3 was one of the harder ones, as always. Set 3 or 2. But once you get over that hump, you're fine. Less than 2 minutes. Keep jogging, recovering. Extend this cool down if you want. Go stretch. Do some strength training. Oh my goodness. So hard. Whew. Do you guys think hits are harder or is this one harder? I know it's easier for you to push yourself through a hit because it's such short intervals. This one's mentally tougher to get through. Requires a lot of mental and physical strength. Whew. But we did it. Keep jogging, keep recovering. We're almost there. Whew. Cool down is just as important as the warm-up. All right, we got 1 more minute. Sweat is everywhere. Just pedaling and recovering. I feel like my heart rate is getting back down to normal, but I know my legs are gonna be sore. 4 days. Oh my goodness. Whew.
Tell me, mother, did you miss me?
Keep pedaling. You got it. Amazing work. Comment down below what length you want to see next of video. 20, 30, 45. What type of workout you want. Whew. Keep motoring. Whew. All right, final 10 seconds. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Stop the bike. Yay, we did it. Great work, guys. Thanks for joining me. See you at the next spin class.